Hi, this is Nicole with Raspberry Moon Skin Therapy. Today we're going to be going over the Glycolic Retinol Pads from Skinscripts. So these pads you would use as a toner in the evening after you've done your cleanse. I really love these for brightening the skin and to help with that really smooth look. These are great for the face, the neck, the décolleté. I use them on my back of my hands. If you are doing waxing or shaving in your bits and you get a little bit of ingrown hairs, or if you get darkness to the skin, you can use that to treat the top part of that as well. You can treat your elbows, anything that's like a little rough or has some darkness to it. So this has a 2% glycolic in it. It's going to help with those fine lines. It's going to help kind of resurface the skin just a little bit. It's going to help with healing, and it's going to help with those breakouts or the darkness that we get once the breakouts have kind of healed. So it also has 4% arbutin and 3% kojic, which the kojic is from a mushroom, and those are going to be your skin brighteners. And then it's going to have some 1% retinol in it, which is our exfoliator, and it's going to help smooth that surface of the skin. So super simple to use. You're just going to simply wipe across. I kind of just work down and around, making sure that we're hitting all the areas, but staying away from that eye area. And you can go down and across the neck, the décolleté as well. And like I said, we can go ahead and treat our hands on the top, because generally those get kind of a little bit of damage there from the sun. We can hit our elbows if we need to, if they're feeling a little rough. And any spot, like if I had a little dark spot or whatever, I can extra spot treat those areas. But super simple to use. Generally speaking, you're going to use that once in the evening as your toner after you cleanse and before your treatment serum. So that is everything. Until we connect, create a beautiful day.